Hi guys, I wanted to make an updated video because I have spent some time updating Canvas to try to make it a little bit more user-friendly, easier to find things, easier to find instructions and that kind of stuff. So when you first go to Canvas and you go to Algebra 2, this is just right where I'm at, you click Algebra 2. Now it should take you to this new page. So right away, the first thing that you should see is this green Algebra 2, my name, my email, any updates that the school or the district is putting out. I will post here so you could see that our superintendent, Mr. Bill Cook, put out a video message this morning. So I linked that here because I know some of you have some questions. So I'll put updates there. Then I just gave you a whole bunch of information about e-learning. I'm putting this video right here in this first link, and then I made another video on how to download the calculator. And then this whole other section right here is just expectations, what you should do every day, what I expect from you, where to find things, what to do, that kind of stuff. And then this is like the really important part. The other stuff's important too. But right here, it says follow the day-by-day schedule. Click the links to access the material. So I have the date over on the side, the unit that we're doing, we're in Unit 3, and then the notes or the video, whatever it is, and then the assignment for that day. So for example, today, I'm doing this video on March 26th. It is Thursday, so there's the date. You're going to be doing day 4 notes. There is a video and note to go with it. And then the assignment is an exit slip and a discussion board number 2. So if you're like, okay, cool, now I know what that is, but where do I get it? So now you would click this one spot where it has this blue hyperlink. You would click on Unit 3, Day 4. And again, I've updated this as well. This will take you right to the information, the stuff for today. So it says Unit 3, Day 4. The topic is GCF and difference of squares. There's the date, just to make sure you're on the right one. And then each kind of column here gives you the information you need. So we have the notes, the blank notes, you can click that, the filled in notes if you want to check your work, and then the video. So you just click on the link that you need. And then in the middle here is the worksheet. The worksheet is optional, but it is great for extra practice. Again, I highly recommend doing the worksheet so that you can practice it, get hands-on with the material. There's a blank worksheet and the answers here, so you just click what you need. And then over here is the assignment. This is actually worth points. You want to really make sure you understand the material before you do the exit slip. But the exit slip is right there, so you could click that link. And then the discussion board, whatever else is due, is also there. So if you want to do the exit slip, you would click there. If you're ready to do the discussion board, you would click the discussion board. Other than that, I think we're kind of getting the hang of it. If you go to click the video, you would go straight into YouTube. If you click on like blank worksheets, you're going to go ahead and either download the worksheet or print the worksheet or copy it down on your own piece of paper. And then, of course, if you click something like the exit slip, it'll take you right there to complete the exit slip. Let me know if you have any questions on navigating the site, but I know it's a little bit different. So when I go back again and I hit home, you're going to be seeing this new screen with that green Algebra 2 on the top. And then again, this will give you the layout of what we're doing, and I'll post everything day by day. If you have any questions, like I said, please reach out to me, email me, use the Remind app. Those are all really helpful.